This amazing Hillcrest with media floor plan from First Texas Homes in the Collinsbrook Farm community in Frisco, Texas, is a 5-bedroom, 4 baths, 3-car garage floor plan that offers 3,995 square feet of luxury to suit your family's needs. This eye-catching 2-story home plan features brick and stone masonry with wood accent and an oversized covered front porch that offers amazing curb appeal. As you pass through the beautiful custom 8-foot door into the foyer of this Hillcrest floor plan, you'll find custom-framed openings, high ceilings, and engineered wood floors throughout. Right off the foyer is an elegant formal living and dining room with tray ceiling featuring unique lighting, wainscoting panels, and beautiful windows, perfect for entertaining family and friends. Pass through the double French door into the private study with tray ceiling, crown molding, wainscoting panels, a hidden wine rack, and beautiful windows, making this a perfect home office. Also, adjacent from the private study, you will find a full powder bath with shower and custom tile. The spacious gourmet kitchen features a huge island with quartz marble countertops, butler's pantry, decorative backsplash, built-in stainless steel appliances, including stainless steel oven and microwave, and a 5-burner gas cooktop with wooden hood vent. The adjacent breakfast nook is bathed in natural light and flows seamlessly into the family room, where you'll find a beautiful spiral winding oak staircase with Juliet balcony, marvelous high ceilings, large beautiful windows, and a floor-to-ceiling quartile fireplace. The private master suite features a tray ceiling with crown molding and unique lighting, and beautiful windows. The master bath features bi-level vanity with makeup area, a deep relaxing jetted garden tub, an extended walk-in shower with custom tiles, and large master closets. Upstairs, you'll find a game room with pre-surround sound wiring and plenty of space for the kids to relax, study, or simply do their own thing. The media room features a tray ceiling, unique lighting, a wet bar, surround sound wiring, and savant automation, perfect for family entertaining. 4 additional secondary bedrooms with vaulted ceilings, ceiling fans, spacious closet space, a conjoining bathroom, and another full bath complete the second floor. The Hillcrest floor plan also includes a Texas-sized covered patio and a huge backyard with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. This magnificent Hillcrest with media floor plan is now available in the community of Collinsbrook Farm in Frisco, Texas. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Hillcrest with media floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.